welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another book review, and this is as a gift by my grandmother. Reading is a lot more fun. So let's see what is on the behind of the case. Wow, look, there is lots of storybooks. You can even carry this wherever you want to go. You can get this in any bookshops, wherever you live. You can find that in that bookshops also. So there is Cinderella and Beauty and the Beast and Goldilocks and the Three Bears. You have heard that in every storybook. And the Little Mermaid, Rapunzel, Sleeping Beauty, Thumbelina, and Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and Hansel and Gretel. Let's see what is inside and let's see how it looks. I'm very excited. Wow, this looks like this. Let's see what is written over here on the circle. What is written on it? Yes, it's written, read aloud books. My first 5-minute fairy tales. And I'm going to show you these have like lots of, it also tells the names and see that this is in good making, and this, see inside what it looks like. And over here it shows like the name, and so see, this looks like this. You might have heard this in some other videos, but these are nice. Okay, enjoy reading these books and make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Do get it, and bye.